Dr. Sonal Man Singh ji, please.
सबसे पहले मैं ये जो चर्चा चल रही है किसान आंदोलन, मेरा एक ही कहना है, कहीं एक सिनेमा में आया था, जाने क्या तूने कही, जाने क्या मैंने सुनी, बात कुछ ऐसी बनी। तो अच्छा होता कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की जो अद्भुत बातें हैं किसानों को लेकर, वो अच्छे से सुनी जाती तो बात ऐसे ऐसे के बदले अच्छी तरीके से आगे बढ़ती। खैर, आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश सर, because a lot of my friends like Mr. Shiva who was here tell me that हिंदी समझ में नहीं आता है, कोई अंग्रेज़ी में क्यों नहीं बोलता है। तो हिंदी, गुजराती, आसामी, उड़िया जो कहें, लेकिन अंग्रेज़ी में मैं बोलना चाहूँगी। From early years of my life, I heard and imbibed the sutra, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava. Revere mother as God, revere father as God, revere the Guru as God. I'm happy to see these reflected in significant ways in the speech by Honorable President of India. India is counted among the great civilizations of ancient times, but the only one to sustain its vibrant flow till today. Flow of ideas, values, concepts, arts, sciences, indeed all the streams of knowledge which guided emergence of India as the Vishwa Guru. Attacks from foreign lands may have weakened some of them, but once again, they are in focus now as the foundation for the new education policy. Need for such a policy which would collect, combine, and coalesce various streams of knowledge was being felt since a long time. NEP seems to be the answer to revitalize and resurrect India's knowledge and cultural traditions, which can strengthen our national fabric and ignite creative minds to greater and meaningful endeavor. Culture remains the strongest binding force in India, which unfortunately was not considered important element in education in past decades. I'm happy to see, sir, for the first time, under guidance of Prime Minister Modi ji, the NEP has blended education and culture as they were meant to be, like flower and its fragrance. For this purpose, NEP has created traditional knowledge system in context of contemporary times. By dethroning the colonial mindset, it seeks to utilize traditional knowledge and time-tested wisdom also for the purpose of application in research, which is lacking somehow, for which National Research Foundation has been created. The aim is to boost confidence in making inventions and innovations, to boost scientific temper, and create base for newer ideas to reflect and meet today's needs. Sir, at the grassroots level, Shiksha plus Samskar, that is, instilling values through education, is being emphasized through the boost given to Anganwadi workers, the women who take care of children's early education. This is very important because thus both the values of Matru Devo Bhava and Guru Devo Bhava come together, because these ladies fulfill the need of a child's need for care and affection while teaching the primary education through which stories and toys and play India has traditionally revered. They are being taught to very, very young kids. The power of mother. Mother is called the first guru, and I'm very happy to put these ideas across after all these very heavy debates, that we must come back to our original values, which are peace-giving, loving, and caring. The power of mother, she is called the first guru, whose thoughts get transmitted to the unborn child. Thereafter, from the first moment after birth, it is the mother who bears the onus of early teaching. Witness the episode, sir, the story of one of the great rishis of Upanishadic times, Satyakam Jabali. Some of us may recall the film Satyakam, which was a take on this fascinating story of a young boy whose entry into a Gurukul was difficult as he is unable to answer questions about his father's name and Gotra. Mother Jabala takes him by the hand and appears in front of Guru Rishi Gautama, declaring in ringing tones, "I am Jabala and he is my son Satyakam." And that was enough for the Guru to rise from his seat to offer reverence to Matru Shakti. No wonder Satyakam learned the lessons of truth and fearlessness, nirbhikta, to become great Rishi himself. Hence, reposing greater faith in Matru Shakti for Charitra Nirman, sir, is very, very important. Character building is Anganwadi, in Anganwadi, Matas, the Anganwadi Matas is step in right direction. I laud it. Following the broad and all-encompassing vision of Prime Minister Modi ji, there is visible influence of women in hitherto male bastions, like Coast Guard, Army, even in Air Force as fighter pilot, military police, and now even in the Cobra unit of CRPF, very significant. I see this, sir, as personification of the Shiva Shakti concept, where the male and female principles come together in a meaningful way. It's indeed amazing to see the surge also, sir, in numbers of women entrepreneurs as never before. Mudra Yojana, one of the earliest flagship schemes of Prime Minister Modi, has helped small-time enterprises by women, bringing money, respect, and usefulness to women who never dreamt of such a phenomena in their own lives. Sir, last. Absolutely. Much more in the fields of tourism and culture is envisaged, as a web of roads and infrastructure will open up areas and sites hitherto unapproachable. To fulfill Honorable Prime Minister's vision of $5 trillion economy, all such initiatives will lead to a generation of job providers, job creators, and not job seekers. Sir, so let us, I appeal to everyone, so let us strive together to create Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat towards achieving higher goals for India. May our spirits merge to bring love, peace, and friendship.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Thank you, Dr. Sonal Mansingh ji.